What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, I am going to show you a brand new meme coin strategy that puts you on the winning side from day one. Now, it is not by trading, but it's by deving the actual coins. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars by using this, and yes bro, it is fully repeatable. Deving meme coins is becoming more and more popular in this space, and if you want to learn how it actually works, let's get right into this. I grew this crypto wallet to over $8.56 million, all from launching specifically, not by trading, okay? So this video is specifically for people who wants to start deving, bro. Let's fucking get it. Now, most people lose a lot of money in meme coins, not because they're bad at crypto, but because they choose to trade them. They buy into the hype, and the person who created the coin just exits on their position, like this coin right here. It's a clear example. That's why skilled traders and large KOLs are moving towards launching instead. It's low downside and high upside, and far more engaging. When you trade meme coins, for example, you could lose your money at any given moment to the dev of the coin. But when you launch your own coin, you become the creator and you control the entire game, so you can cash out whenever the fuck you want, all by being a dev. Now, the process is pretty simple. You just release a token for completely free, you let buyers come in, and then when the market cap is high, you just cash out, and it's simple as that. You take your profits. Now, launching has become the new meta because deploying a meme coin on chain costs almost nothing, basically $0, okay? And that's exactly how I built my entire crypto portfolio, so stay tuned because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first meme coin and how it can turn into real gains. Keep watching. And by the way bro, this video was made purely for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice, it's all my opinions, okay? So please do not copy me. Cap! Now, when someone is planning their first meme coin launch, the platform that they almost always land on is Pump.Fun, okay? Now, it's the most recognizable name, so it feels like the most natural starting point to launch a meme coin. But that's where the mistake happens. Pump.Fun is insanely crowded. New tokens are deploying non-stop, and most of them are disappearing within moments. If you're still launching there, bro, you are not really moving forward, you are just taking chances. And there's more. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a portion of the creator fees, so you're just wasting time and money. And as a dev, the real goal is getting your token in front of the Radium DEX, okay, right here in front of real traders. But on Pump.Fun, bro, reaching that stage takes too long and depends way too much on luck. That's exactly why I switched to create Meme.io, because honestly bro, it's the best launchpad out there because all your meme coins that are launched through create Meme.io will go directly to Radium instantly, and that means your coin will be viewed by a bunch of people instantly, which will lead to more volume, more traction, and a bunch of more buyers in your meme coin, okay? Now let me explain exactly how a coin gets launched on Create Coins. There are two different ways to make a token here, and it's up to you to choose which route. The first route is to create the coin from scratch, which means this starts with the narrative. You want something that already has attention on it, so I would recommend to go on X, scroll Reddit, okay, go on Google News. Anything trending is usable for a meme coin. After that bro, come back to create Meme.io, invent a quick name, right, add a quick ticker symbol, add a quick logo, confirm, and your custom coin is live just like that after these steps. But if you're aiming for speed and immediate traction, well, there's a second route, and that's my main one, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now, all of these tokens are already gaining massive attention and non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun, which means the hype is active, the demand is proven, and the volume are already going in these coins. So instead of starting from zero, you're just copying a coin, and since the narrative is already proven to get buyers, well, you have a high chance of getting some soul in your pocket. That's why I copy coins, or most people like to say vamping coins. Alright, let's move forward and head to the juicy part of today's video. We are going to be actually deving a meme coin, right? Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected just like this. Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything trending. Well, they're all trending, but I like to go for anything like that looks good, like Pippin, right? Why not? Click on create coin, then in the block from Phantom is completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, then click on confirm right here. it's just a couple warnings, and now the coin should be created in a sec on chain. Boom. If you go in source scan, okay, you guys can see that it is minted 9 seconds ago. It's on chain, everything is working, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page and this whole setup right here is really fucking simple. We are just adding liquidity. This step is what makes your coin tradable on Radium so the market can open, right? Now token A, first of all, is for your supply. Click on 90%. I would highly recommend 900 million tokens. Token B is your first buy into your own coin, right? Which you will hold some supply. You are not losing any SOL here. It is just locked to activate the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you'll get it back later once the liquidity is removed. Okay, so we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, click on create pool, then just wait for your phantom wallet to pop up right here. Click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Pippin coin is now live, and you see all your stats right here, and your profits are going to be right there. Now if you click on the refresh button for a second time to refresh the whole liquidity pool page, you guys can see that we are up $140 because people are now buying our coin on Radium, right? And they are interested in our narrative because it's, you know, it's trending already, right? So if you want Photon to see the chart, let me go on full screen, right? And then the coin has to load in. Just give it some time for it to load. And now the coin is live. As you guys can see, okay, we are getting traction already. It went up, it went down. We are at a 1.5k market cap. We just got a $17 buy from 2 different wallets. That's actually fucking insane. Now this is why I love launching, creating, deving meme coins more than trading, because look, we are getting some transactions in. People are loving our coin and we are making some fucking gains, right? Some Solana. And by the way, bro, this coin costed like $1, just a blockchain fees to create this coin. Like, bro, it's way better doing this than trading, because, you know, trading you could buy in and then lose all your money, but deving you just create and you wait for some buyers right here, right? Let's go, $37 right here. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, right? And when it goes a bit high, we are going to cash out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 2k market cap. Now even though the market cap is a bit low, we did farm a lot of Pump.Fun creator fees because a bunch of transactions came inside our coin. So, and we are up on our supply. Now to make some money, bro, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button when you are ready to, you know, make some money. And as you guys can see, bro, we are up $1.78 thousand, which is around 13 SOL. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove. I mean, here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm going to do all, then here, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 12.98 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang, that's exactly how you do it, bro, from me myself. Now if I open my phantom wallet, you guys can see that I received around, you know, the same amount that we had right here. That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish, bro, all from deving meme coins. I would highly recommend you guys to fucking go to creatememe.io and go do it for yourself, bro. Join my Discord if you want to learn more, and if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, just like, comment and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group and Discord group down below for more information. Peace.